Welcome to our channel. Let's do it together.
So our ingredients would be some onions,
Yeah.
garlic, green beans, and bell pepper. What is this? Eggplant.
Yeah.
Tomato. Salt. Sea salt to be more precise. Black pepper. Smoked paprika.
And chicken bouillon.
And of course, our main ingredient will be our chicken.
Yeah, this is the tomato paste. So I already sliced that. So I already prepped them. So I just slice everything. I always fry the eggplant whenever I cook them because I don't want mashed eggplant. So in order to keep them intact, I always fry that. And it also tastes better.
You fry first the eggplants, and as you see, it's spattering a lot.
Yeah.
And right now, you see I'm close. I'm not actually close. It's just I put some close up, you know. I'm terrified.
She's terrified.
So I just put a close up so guys can see the way how my mom do this.
Yeah, I just overlap. As you know, the eggplant always absorb a lot of oil. So that way, the eggplant I put on the top already absorbing oil from the bottom. So it will save time. It's also cooking them at the same time. So the eggplant is already finished frying. And we will gonna set it aside for a while we gonna cook the remaining of the ingredients. I just put in the wok the remaining of the oil that come from the eggplant.
So how can we know if the eggplant is cooked or not?
You see that color? It's already cooked.
Oh, I did not know. So we're gonna mix it, right?
Yeah, we just gonna cook the chicken.
But the problem is, it still goes in the same place.
Yeah, because it's a wok.
Wow.
So we're gonna cook
Our
sauce.
onions?
Yeah, the garlic first. We're gonna cook them together.
Now we put our onions. Oh, it's spattering! Ah!
It will not sputter. You know why? Because it has no water.
Oh.
I don't know why once you're frying eggplant, it's always sputter. Maybe it has water. It has to be dry.
Doray. So what you're gonna put else, mommy?
We just wait for about few minutes. And while we're cooking it, we're gonna put high heat, okay? And later I'll tell you guys when you're gonna put in medium heat and low heat. Because this one, we just gonna cook everything first, the chicken, and then all the vegetables is like we're baking them. So we have to put that in low heat, but I'll tell you. So once you smell the aroma or the essence of the garlic and onion, it's the time to put your spices.
So we're gonna put first black pepper.
Yeah.
Shake.
Brown black pepper. Shake.
And put it
That is 1 teaspoon.
and put it in our onions. Onion.
And I will put some smoked paprika.
Yeah. Then next we're gonna put
Just one tablespoon of smoked paprika.
okay.
Yeah.
Mix it
Mix it.
until it becomes this golden brown color.
Yep. And now we're gonna put our chicken. The chicken is 1 kilo.
This is when the meat comes.
Yep. That's 1 kilo of chicken.
You have to turn it so the flavor can go on the chicken.
Oops, I forgot to get the turmeric. I will put a little bit of turmeric just to take out the smell and the aftertaste.
Oh yeah, I hate those aftertastes. But guys, at the end, you won't regret it.
Just a little bit,
watching.
maybe a pinch of turmeric.
Turmeric.
Yep. And we're gonna put a saffron. Saffron, you just put like half teaspoon or less than that because it's so expensive. Actually, you gonna bought that like 5 grams for $30. It's so expensive because that is the high quality. I like to buy high quality of saffron. It's not only the color wise, but it's also the taste wise.
Oh?
Yeah, so I always grind my saffron with my grinder. I store that in the freezer to preserve the taste and the odor. That's another tip. Now that you see the chicken has no blood anymore, you put your heat on the medium heat.
I noticed it became smaller.
Yeah, of course, because the chicken is cooked, you know. And then we're gonna put like 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. So if it is a tomato paste, that's why it will make it like creamy. But you don't need to put water. You know why, guys? Because the vegetable we're gonna put in will create water. I know that because I cooked that for so many times. That's why I know already what's gonna happen. And I will put half of the lemon. Medium size of lemon. I just cut it in half and I will squeeze it. I just do like that, you know. But beware with the seeds, okay? Because the seeds will make it bitter. So once you take it, make sure, once you squeeze like me, make sure there's no seeds.
But Mama, if the seeds fall, what you're gonna do?
You have to take it out
By your hand?
with a spoon,
Ah,
of course, because this is hot. Your hands are gonna get burned. Now what we gonna do, guys? I gonna put the
Bovril?
bovril or the chicken bouillon. So I just put like 1 tablespoon. It depends upon your taste. So it looked like this. At this time, your chicken already cooked and you put all the seasonings. And we're gonna put all the vegetables just like that.
You wanna put tomato first?
Yeah, tomato, because this tomato will gonna give a lot of water in here. So if you put some water, you're gonna see it's gonna be like a soup. And this one's supposed to be not look like that. And the next, I'll put this, the bell peppers. That is the 2 heads of bell peppers. 1 yellow and 1 green.
Just orange.
Yeah, we're just making like lasagna, you know, layering. Because lasagna, once you cook lasagna, you do layering. So green beans, I don't like to cut my green beans. I want it like that. It's because the tendency to cook fast once it's small. So this, if it's big, it will not cook that fast. So now I'm gonna put eggplant. Can you help me, darling?
Here's a trick. If they're long, it'll be long minutes. If it's short, it'll be short minutes.
Oh, how genius you are, Pepe. So that's what we're gonna do to the eggplant.
Looks like chips. I want to eat them.
Yeah, it's so delicious. Actually, I love eating eggplant, fried eggplant. So once you cook fried the eggplant, it will gonna stay like this, even though it's cooked. Not unlike if you put it raw, it will be smashed. Or if not smashed, it will be dissolved, or it doesn't look good actually.
Oh, there's a lot of vegetables.
Yeah, that is like a version of ratatouille vegetables, just with the chicken, and I cook it different way, and I put something else. But the taste is same thing like
Ratatouille, like the movie.
Yeah, the movie. The vegetables that they cook in there, they call it ratatouille. So this is same taste like that, but with chicken. So we put everything in. It look like that, and I will sprinkle some salt on the top. You know why I put on the top, Dede? Because when it's steaming, it will dissolve, it's gonna go down and merge with the sauce. Cooking is like patience. So you put in a very low settings. I put in the mean, that is minimum. And I will gonna check that after 30 minutes.
So now we're gonna take out.
Oh, you see guys, I didn't even put any water. So I just, because there's a water from the lid, so I just want to put in. That is the moist. See, it has water. Can you hold that so I can show it to them? We gotta taste it, need some salt. The salt is not enough. So what I do, I just put the salt again on the top. So the salt is according to your taste, as I told you. Me, I don't always put too much salt to our food. See? Show it, Anna. See, there's a lot of water, right? But remember earlier I said don't put any water, right, baby?
Yeah.
So this water is from the vegetables in here. So I like doing like this. Once you put salt, you just do like this. And they're gonna mix with the sauce in here. Done? It's good now. Really delicious. Look at the green beans.
Can I take some?
Okay, hold on. It's not yet completely cooked. Yes. So to say, it's not
Can
yet.
I at least taste the soup then?
Hold on.
The
You
test
just-
by the chef.
Yeah. So delicious, right?
Yeah.
But it needs a little bit more salt.
Yeah. That's what I was about to tell you.
Yeah. So I already put like 2 teaspoons of salt. 2 to 3 teaspoons of salt. So it's according to your taste, guys. Remember the chicken bouillon we put, it's already has saltiness. So you have to balance everything. Wow, look at that.
Like lava. Lava soup.
It's more delicious now. Yeah, the salt is enough. We're just gonna wait maybe 10 more minutes until the green beans completely cook. Look at that. It's ready. I already turned off the stove.
Can we put some in that one?
Which
The one that's brown.
there.
Like here.
Here, because this one is deep. See? It's in the reverse side, the eggplant. I mean, because it's the other side of the eggplant, you know, the skin. See that? I didn't put any water. So, you trust the process, guys, even though earlier you saw there's not much water. It gives water by itself. So now is the testing, final testing. I cook it really like an hour in low heat, and look at this. Oh. All the taste is already mix everything, you know. It's cook, and look at the sauce. It's become creamier. Okay, we're gonna taste it now.
Yep.
We're gonna get something and put in our plate.
Yep.
Ooh, look at that. Take a video. Yes. And we're gonna get the
Meat?
no eggplant. There's a chicken already here. Look at the bottom. Sure.
Yeah, I see.
Why you following? I just want you to capture everything and you like that. Look, we show them how much sauce it got, how much water it got by itself. Now you didn't show this side. Look at that. And I will put some sauce. And guys, look, the tomato dissolved. It's nothing. The tomato become a what?
Water?
Become water. You are correct. The tomato become water, but the eggplant still intact.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Go eat together.
You can eat that with bread or with rice. So that's how you're gonna put it.
Our chef is gonna taste it.
No, Daddy gonna eat it.
Yum. Delicious.
Me, it's my turn.
Soon it'll be my turn.
It's so delicious.
Okay, my turn.
Here's your turn, baby.
Can I eat some with the chicken?
More chicken?
Yeah.
It's still so hot, that's why. Let me get your fork. Here you go. So delicious. Right?
So tender.
Yeah.
Melts in your mouth.
It melts in your mouth. And I like the eggplant. So delicious. The eggplant itself, I really like it. Just like that.
I want to eat more chicken. Look at the chicken, guys, is so tender and it melts in your mouth.
Yeah, and the taste, everything's there, right? So
Hope
delicious.
you like this recipe, guys.
Yeah, it's easy to follow. It just takes time for cooking.
Bye.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next
Video.